Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Yo, it's your boy Tyrell. And guys, we did it. I didn't do it, but we did it. Alright, we reached our goal of 100 subscribers. And as promised, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel, that liked my videos, that commented, shared my videos. Thank you so much, man. Like, it means a lot to me, you know. I think before my last video, I only had 84 subscribers. And now I'm at, how much? Let me check real quick. I think we're at like 113 subscribers as of now. So that's almost 30 subscribers off of one video, guys. So I really appreciate the support. So, you know, me doing this giveaway, this is a give back to you guys. So in order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is comment below. You know, comment below when you found my channel. Hashtag what you talking about. All right, that's all you got to do. But you have to be subscribed to the channel, okay? Now I know if you're subscribed or not. So all you little shitheads out there that's trying to get on me, get over on me, man. I know. Seriously though, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Comment below, you know, when you found my channel, what video it was. Hashtag what are you talking about. Very simple. Guys, if you follow me on social media, you know, that's how you keep up with me. You know, when I do a giveaway, I'm gonna announce the winners on social media first. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever, I'm going to put the links to my social media sites in the description. Really simple. I'm going to take those comments and I'm going to put them in a generator. All right. And the generator is going to pick 3 winners for me. Okay. Now the 3 winners, they're going to get a little treat. You know what I'm saying? So I decided, me and my boy Roland, actually, he's recording the camera. Let me see this real quick, man. Give my boy some airtime real quick. You know what I'm saying? Over here. Yeah, you know. So me and Roland thought it was a good idea to do my favorite vegan snack. All right. If you guys don't know about Lenny and Larry's complete cookie, man, you're missing out. All right. These are the white chocolate macadamia. I got these birthday cake. Oh my goodness. And you gotta have the chocolate chip cookie, man. So these are my favorite vegan cookies, man. Now what you could do is you can actually take these, put them in the microwave for about 15 seconds, get some vanilla almond milk, and I'm telling you, man. All right, on top of this, I got some water bottles for some of you guys out there. Some nice, cool stainless steel water bottles. Put these right here. Really nice, man, really nice. See that? Nice water bottles, man, for you guys. You got cookies. You can put your almond milk in these water bottles. Feel me? And on top of that, man, just show my token of appreciation. You got the special Ready Talking Bouttt cards, man, with my name right here. And on the back is just simple, man. Thank you for the support. And there's my social media sites. All right, very simple, guys. So this is what it's gonna be. Bam. 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 3 winners. This is what you're gonna get. You know? And guys, if you do not win, don't be salty and
I'm gonna unsubscribe to his channel. He's so mean. And
I'm gonna do another giveaway every 100 subscribers. Okay, so if you guys help me get to 200 subscribers, we're gonna do another giveaway. Now it could be this again, or it could be something else. I'm gonna try to mix it up though. You know, and so it doesn't get boring or whatever, but I'm definitely gonna mix it up. So don't be, you know, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous if you don't win. You know, I'm gonna do it nice and fair on the generator. No, I'm not gonna pick my friends first. No, I'm not gonna pick my families first. I'm gonna put it in the generator. Whoever comes up, comes up. I'm gonna message them, and you know, hopefully they message me back so they can get their gift. And I'm gonna send it to them. All right, very simple. Now, you guys got until next Friday to do the comments. So today is August 10th, right? I'm recording this video August 10th right now. You guys got until August 17th to send me the comments. Put the comments below. August 17th is when you have. That's gonna be the deadline at like midnight. You know, and I'm gonna try to post a video of the winners by the 18th, August 18th. That Saturday, I'm gonna post a video. All right, and thank you to everyone that submitted a What You Talking About video clip to me on social media. All right, now if you were following me on social media, you would have got the news that I was receiving those videos. But at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys a clip, a compilation of What You Talking About. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next video. What are they talking about?
Tyrell, bro, I see you with your YouTube though, man. For real, bro. I fuck with you. You gonna be on 100,000 subscribers one day, dog. For real.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Hey, what are you talking about?
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 Wow, wow, wow. What he talking about?
Talkin Bouttt. What? What is Talkin Bouttt?
What he talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What he talking about?
What he talking about?
What are you talking about?
Hold on, make sure I do this right.
Yes!
Hey T, what they talking about?
What he talking about?
What they talking about?
What are you talking about?
This is Joseph Twitty with Coach Twitty Basketball, coming all the way from Honolulu, Hawaii. Shout out to my Stonewall Jackson basketball family and the IAM basketball family here in Honolulu. One question, what I'm talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Shout out my boy Tyrell, man. See you doing your thing with the page, boy. You already know how we rocking. What he talking about? Green bean, delicioso.
What they talking about?
What he talking about?
What he talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
What he talking about?
I just want to give a big shout out to the homie Tyrell, you know what I'm saying? He doing his thing. He came a long way out here, you know. For folks that's not hip, get hip. And just want to say, what are you talking about?
What he talking about?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
We about to hit downtown LA. What are you talking about? Downtown, you know. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Sam. I'm the founder of Talk to Me. And the platform hosts people of all races, backgrounds, like different political views to like freely express themselves through different forms of art. So if you like drawing, dancing, singing, just painting or anything, you could be hosted on it. So it welcomes free speech. It's filtered, of course, so no hate or anything. But I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. What are you talking about?